Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at 8.5 by 22 I-beam Deckover. At the front we have our heavy-duty jack, coupler, and safety chains. There's a chain box as well as a tire mount. This trailer has D-rings and tie-down points along the side, as well as pressure-treated wood flooring. This Deckover trailer is a dovetail and has 5-foot stand-up ramps. This trailer also comes equipped with the powder-coated Sherwin-Williams finish, as well as LED brake lights. This trailer has two 7,000-pound axles on 16-inch wheels and tires. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 22 Deckover I-beam trailer. If you were interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.